they spiritual authority na hindi na hindi pa kami covered ng protection ng proper spiritual authority or hierarchy. Kasi may strict na guideline na pinapollow dyan. Dahil ang Diablo ay very legalistic. Kaya when a person is living in a mortal sin, so the demon has a legal hold on you. Meron siyang legal hold sa iyo. Pwede kanyang i-harm. You are outside the protection of God. So, ganun din. Pag nakita niya wala ka, even an exorcist priest, pag nag-handle siya ng exorcism outside of his jurisdiction, hindi na paalam sa bishop, pwede siyang i-retaliate. Yun. Kaya, napaka-importante talaga ng obedience.
Kasi territorial sila, no?
Territorial.
Parang mga aso pala yan. Territorial.
Yeah.
And, di ba, yung nag-handle kay ni Brother Wendell, Doc, ano yung tingin mo pinaka-worst case na na-handle nyo during that deliverance ministry?
Actually, maraming na-handle sila ni Brother Wendell. So, hindi kami always present kami